Manifesting should be simple, it should be easy, and you should really feel in flow with creating your ideal future. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my 4 go-to manifesting methods, telling you why these manifesting methods really work. But first, I thought it would be fun to share with you some things I've manifested in my life. Lately, I've really been working on up-leveling my manifesting and up-leveling the action I'm taking on my manifesting. More to come on that in the why section. One of the things I've been trying to manifest is just increasing my monetary abundance, increasing how much money I have and how easily that money comes in my life. And literally yesterday, I went to the mailbox and manifested out of nowhere this random check, which is actually from Nissan, so the car I used to have, and somehow I got some sort of reimbursement check. It doesn't even say what it's for, but it's a random check to me in the mail, which I find really funny because lately I've been trying to manifest random money coming to me, just this idea that it's easy to have money come into my life. So that was kind of fun. Some other fun things I've manifested is this YouTube channel that you guys are watching. A year and a half ago, this was something I just dreamed about having, and now I have it, and I've built it to over 1,000 subscribers in its first year. A couple other fun things that I've manifested was to become mortgage-free on a revenue property by a certain age timeline that I wanted to achieve it, and I was given a feature in a magazine that I wanted to get into a few years ago. So I've really been able to manifest some fun things in my life, but I didn't actually take manifesting super seriously until this year. I've used these techniques to not only manifest myself into a much happier, much more fulfilled, much more in flow and energized place in my life, but I also use these exact techniques I'm going to show you to get myself out of a place where I wasn't feeling good at all, where I was living with depression and living with anxiety and really feeling like I had nowhere to go in my life and not knowing a direction I could take my life to find true happiness. I hope you're now excited to learn them. And don't forget, after I share with you these techniques, I'm going to tell you why and how you use them to create that massive change in your life. The first technique I'm going to share is manifestation journaling. You may have recently seen that Shawn Mendes does this. If you watched his documentary on Netflix, he talks about his manifestation journal. Manifestation journaling is really simple, and I've dedicated a whole YouTube video to it. I'm going to link it here. So go back and watch that video if you want the specific details of how I use my manifestation journal. But really, to break it down and make it super simple, is I simply write down what it is that I'm manifesting into my life. I use a lot of I am statements and a lot of I love statements in my manifestation journal. It might be something like, I am easily getting subscribers to my YouTube channel, or I love how easy it is for me to build my online business. Really a lot of positive affirmations, and I simply just write it in that journal. Total stream of consciousness, free writing, without any plans, without any prompts, just a lot of positive self-talk and a lot of positivity around the goals that I'm trying to create. The next technique I use a lot is scripting. Scripting is simply writing out the story of your ideal life or whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. If you're trying to manifest, say, a new job, you would simply script out your day of going to that ideal job. It would be something like, I'm so excited to wake up in the morning and go into my new place of work. I love what I'm wearing as I go into my new place of work. I love driving on Oak Street and turning left on Elm because that's the route I take to my job every day at your new place of work. I love having my desk in the corner window every day and getting to see the seasons change. You're writing the script as if you are the character already living in the place of what it is you're trying to manifest. If you want a whole video on scripting, I can make it really detailed. Leave me a comment down below, but there is lots of videos here on YouTube, so jump into one of those and get more details on scripting. But it really does work, and again, I'm going to tell you all the whys coming up. The next manifestation method that I use, it's one of my favorites, and I've made you guys a whole video so it's easy for you to do, and that is using shifting meditation. It's simply a meditation practice where you move yourself into what it is you're trying to manifest. manifest. So you shift your mindset and your subconscious mind into what it is you're trying to manifest. This is a really powerful technique for getting your subconscious mind aligned with what it is that you're trying to manifest. If you're into Neville Goddard and his work or the law of attraction, you already know that you need to be able to feel deeply that you've already achieved your manifestation in order to make that manifestation work. The reason why feeling your manifestation is so important is because you need to trick your subconscious mind into taking action to achieve your manifestations. That's why shifting meditation is so incredibly powerful. So usually every day for me, the first thing I do is I wake up and I do my journaling meditation, whether it's manifestation journaling or scripting journaling. Those are sort of the journaling moments that I use for manifesting. I do that while I'm having my morning cup of coffee, and then after that I go into my meditation and I meditate on really shifting myself into that ideal reality that I'm trying to create and really feeling the feelings of it. And that brings me to my fourth manifestation technique, which is new. I haven't heard anybody talking about it here on YouTube. It is so crazy simple. It is literally the simplest manifestation technique out there, and it is crazy powerful. Again, I'm gonna get into the whys and hows, but the technique is listing your favorite things. Now, it really sounds a lot like gratitude journaling, but it's not. It's totally different. How this works is I simply make a list of my favorite things that I enjoy now that I've achieved my meditation. So again, I'm taking my mind and I'm fast forwarding it all the way to the place where I've already received what it is I'm trying to create. I'm already living my ideal life. I've already achieved my goals, whatever they are. And I simply make a list of my favorite things now that I'm there. My favorite thing could be always having an abundance of cash in my bank account, always having more than enough to save and always having more than enough to spend, always having subscribers find my YouTube channel easily and subscribe to my channel. Keeping this favorite things list instantly transports you into that future time and space where you already have achieved the thing that you're manifesting, and it is so easy and it is so fun. Of course, the best part of wanting to manifest these things is the lifestyle we're hoping to enjoy once we get there. So start listing out all of those favorite things now, all the favorite things that you're gonna have, do, feel, and realize once you've achieved your manifestation. That's what I call my favorite thing list. It is so fast and it is so easy. I challenge you to do it every morning and every night. So now that I've covered these 4 techniques, I want to explain to you why and how manifesting works. I don't want you to think that you can just write a manifestation journal or do the shifting meditation or do your favorite things list and suddenly out of nowhere things are going to appear. Sometimes out of nowhere things really are going to appear, like this crazy check, but you do have to take some action to make these things happen. The reason why these manifestation techniques are so critical is that it's getting your subconscious mind to buy into what it is that you're trying to create. It's getting your subconscious mind to buy into the reality that you're trying to create. So when I was trying to become mortgage free on my revenue property, I was manifesting that, I was journaling it, I was talking about it, I was making it a reality before it actually was a reality. But at the same time, my conscious mind was making choices every day that were getting me closer to my goal. That's why it's so important that you're using these manifestation techniques if you're trying to change your life or create a new reality. These simple techniques that you use every single day are going to start to change how you feel and your core about your ability to achieve your goals. And before you know it, your goals are going to start realizing through these subconscious acts that you don't even realize you're taking a lot of the time. Now, if you want to learn more about how manifesting works with your subconscious and how feeling plays a role in all of that, I did a whole video on Neville Goddard's book, Feeling is the Secret. It's a summary of his book, The Feeling is the Secret, but it really does explain to you the importance of feeling yourself having already achieved your manifestation or already achieving your goals and how that works to put the subconscious mind in action in your day-to-day life. And before you know it, your goals are going to start realizing. I've given you other videos down below in the description box that you can watch next to help you continue with your manifesting. I know, like I said, manifesting is possible. I do it every day. I really hope that you get yourself a random check in the mail or whatever it is that you're trying to achieve. My name is Liz, and this YouTube channel is dedicated to helping you monetize your message so that you can build a brand online using tips and techniques to grow a YouTube channel, which is my favorite medium of social media, as well as the mindset and motivation that you need to take action towards making your goals a reality. Subscribe to this channel if you're ready to elevate and up-level your life, and join the community here on this channel of really wonderful people who are doing just that. I hope you really enjoy those next videos and have the best day.